Imagine a couple earning $130,000 a year combined. On paper, that's solid. They went to school, got careers, bought a house in a good neighborhood, and have two paychecks coming in every month. They should feel secure. They should be building wealth. They should be able to take vacations, save for the future, and enjoy life. But many aren't. They're stressed, living paycheck to paycheck, exhausted from commuting, long work hours, and the endless balancing act of life. An unexpected car repair, medical bill, or home repair could throw them into financial chaos. Does this sound familiar? If you've ever looked at your income and thought, we make too much to feel this broke, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down why dual incomes, which seem like the path to financial security, can actually trap households into a life of stress, minimal savings, and constant financial vulnerability. By the end of this video, you'll understand why earning more doesn't automatically make you secure, how the modern dual-income household consumes itself financially, and most importantly, how you can use the one-income foundation strategy to build real wealth and freedom. The myth of two incomes. For decades, we've been told, two incomes are better than one. On paper, it's simple math. If one person earning $50,000 can support a family, two people earning $50,000 each should double the resources, right? More income, more security, more freedom. Yet, research tells a different story. The two-income trap, a term coined by Elizabeth Warren, explains why dual-income households can be more financially fragile than single-income families. Warren's study of thousands of families who filed for bankruptcy revealed a shocking truth. Families with two working parents were actually more likely to go bankrupt than families with only one income. This isn't a story about laziness or irresponsibility. It's about systemic pressures. It's about the way costs have expanded faster than incomes, absorbing the second paycheck entirely. The promise of financial freedom fades, replaced by constant stress. Think about your own spending patterns. Are you budgeting based on the gross total of two paychecks? Or are you thinking about what you actually take home after taxes, childcare, commuting, and convenience costs? The difference can be staggering. Here's the kicker. The dual-income household creates a false sense of security. You see the bigger number on paper and think, we're fine. But the reality is, every dollar is already committed before it even arrives. A look back, how one income used to work. Let's travel back to 1970. Only about 43% of women worked outside the home. Most households had one primary earner, usually the father, and one stay-at-home parent managing the household. That single income could cover a home in a decent neighborhood, utilities, food, and healthcare, public education for children, occasional vacations and savings, and crucially, if something went wrong, job loss, illness, or injury, the second parent could step into the workforce. That was financial flexibility, a natural backup plan. Families weren't living at the edge of survival. They had margin. Fast forward to today. Female workforce participation is higher. Dual-income households are now the norm, not the exception. Median household income has increased, but so have expenses. Housing prices have doubled relative to inflation. Childcare averages $15,000 per child per year. Healthcare costs have skyrocketed. College tuition has surged over 200% since 1980. Now, that second income often doesn't add extra security. It's swallowed up just to keep pace with the rising cost of living. Here's a question for you. If you earned only your primary income, could you survive comfortably without the second? Many households can't, and that's exactly why the trap exists. The numbers behind the trap. Let's make it concrete. Imagine a household earning $70,000 and $50,000, $120,000 combined. Feels comfortable, right? Let's track the $50,000 second income. Taxes. Depending on federal, state, and payroll taxes, the take-home can shrink by 30 to 35%. That $50,000 instantly becomes around $32,500. Childcare. One child can cost $15,000 per year. Two children, $30,000. Commute and transportation. Gas, maintenance, and vehicle depreciation add another $8,000. Convenience spending. Cleaning services, pre-made meals, deliveries, and other exhaustion-driven expenses can cost $5,000 to $10,000. After all this, that $50,000 second income might contribute as little as $2,000 net per year. That's about $8 per workday, $1 per hour. Yet psychologically, households often make decisions based on the gross income, taking on larger mortgages, car payments, and lifestyle expenses. This is where the trap tightens. The paycheck feels bigger than it is, but it's already fully committed. Let me give you another real-life example. A household in a high-cost city makes $200,000 combined. They buy the perfect home, lease 2 cars, and pay for private schools. 2 incomes, yet they're always worried. Why? Because every extra dollar from the second income was already factored into expenses that have grown faster than their paychecks. How fixed costs create the trap housing is the clearest example. When 2 incomes became the norm, families had more purchasing power. Home prices in desirable neighborhoods skyrocketed. Suddenly, what 1 income could afford in the past now requires 2. Other fixed costs followed the same pattern: education, healthcare, and childcare. The result? Families must maintain both incomes to cover basic life expenses. There's no margin for error. If one partner loses a job, gets sick, or faces unexpected costs, the household risks financial collapse. Modern dual-income households are already operating at 100% capacity. Every dollar is spoken for before it even arrives. The safety net that existed in one-income households, a backup parent ready to step in, no longer exists. Think about it like a car running with no oil. It moves fine until suddenly it doesn't. And then everything breaks at once. That's what many dual-income households are facing. The psychological component. Here's something interesting. Many families don't even realize they're in a trap. They feel fine because the gross numbers look good, but stress, burnout, and anxiety are constant. They've normalized working 50 to 60 hours a week just to survive. Ask yourself, are you constantly rushing? Do you feel exhausted even though you make enough? Are your decisions based on the income you see rather than the money you actually keep? Answer honestly, because awareness is the first step to escaping the trap. The one-income foundation strategy. Here's the solution. Treat the second income as discretionary. Structure fixed costs around one income. Mortgage, utilities, groceries, and insurance should all be fully covered by the primary income. Direct the second income strategically. Build an emergency fund. Max out retirement accounts. Invest in taxable accounts. Only then use for lifestyle upgrades. This approach creates margin, flexibility, and freedom. Investments compound, giving one partner the ability to reduce hours, pursue career risks, or handle emergencies without financial collapse. Let's imagine a household following this strategy. They earn $130,000. They buy a house that one income can cover. The second income flows into investments. 5 years later, the investments are producing passive income. They now have the security they thought dual incomes would provide, and they did it without burning out. The two-income trap isn't about earning more, it's about how you allocate income, manage fixed costs, and preserve flexibility. Appearances, bigger homes, nicer cars, dual paychecks don't equal security. Real wealth is optional, the ability to absorb shocks and make intentional financial choices. Start today. Structure your household around one income, let the second income build wealth, and reclaim the financial freedom that modern dual-income families often lose. If this perspective shifted the way you think about money, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone struggling with the dual-income trap. Start building your one-income foundation today. Remember, financial security isn't about income, it's about choices. Big homes and cars don't guarantee peace of mind. Real security comes from flexibility, margin, and financial awareness. By treating the second income strategically, you gain control over your life. You're no longer living at the edge of survival. Instead, you're building wealth, security, and freedom. You have the option to step back, take risks, and live intentionally. That's the power of a one-income foundation. The dual-income trap isn't your fault. It's systemic awareness and strategic planning are your weapons. Build your one-income foundation step by step. Use the second income to accelerate financial growth. Within a few years, you'll experience security and flexibility like never before. Take control today. Your one-income foundation starts now. Remember, every dollar you save or invest today is buying freedom tomorrow. Financial independence isn't a myth, it's a structured approach. Dual incomes look good on paper, but they can hide risk. The secret is managing costs, preserving flexibility, and planning for surprises. Emergencies, job loss, or unexpected costs won't derail you. Your financial choices define your security, not just your paycheck. Dual incomes can create stress if expenses grow faster than paychecks. Avoid the trap by planning around one income. The second income becomes your tool, not a requirement. Build emergency funds, invest wisely, and save for the future. This approach gives freedom to choose how you live. You're no longer chained to two incomes to survive. You can take risks, spend wisely, and enjoy life more. Step back, breathe, and see your financial landscape clearly. A one-income foundation changes everything. It builds security, flexibility, and peace of mind. Dual incomes can feel safe, but they often hide hidden pressures. Treat your second income as optional, not required. Build wealth strategically, one step at a time. Your future security starts with the choices you make today. Start today. Review your household expenses and see what one income can cover. Identify which costs are fixed and which can be reduced. Free up the second income for savings, investments, and wealth building. Watch how compounding transforms your financial freedom over the years. You'll no longer be trapped by lifestyle inflation or growing fixed costs. You can finally take control of your time, energy, and money. The choice is yours. Continue living paycheck to paycheck or build real financial security. Build the one-income foundation, use the second income wisely, and watch your wealth grow. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you allocate and protect it. Start today, take control, and reclaim your financial freedom.